Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for October 8th. Now, if you tuned in yesterday, we had a trade that we were looking at, a quick little scalp. It was what we call a window trade. It did punch through that point right here to grab our 24 pips or so. Now this pair has created a swing trade opportunity over the past 3 bars. We have drawn our trend line, looking for a short right here. This is roughly a short at the 129.52 mark. Looking for it to come on down to this point right here. That's roughly about a 50 pip move. Now let me drop a trend line there. Definitely want to be above that 0-0 level as we come through there. Looking to short around the 129.52 mark. Looking to come down right to the 12900 mark with about a 53 pip profit. Now, I will use a 1-to-1 risk to reward, puts our stop loss up around just a hair above the 13000 level, which should be a good area of resistance, especially considering that we had a sideways movement here. It did surge up, but now we've turned around and should be heading lower. So that's the trade I'm looking at for this next session. So definitely keep an eye on that. Now let's talk about the news real quick. Now, really, the only news announcement we have to worry about is the pound releasing their gross domestic product estimates for September at 10 a.m. Eastern. That seems a little late to me, but nonetheless, that's what it's showing. We do have a previous of 0.2% no forecast given. So gross domestic product should affect the market to some degree. Definitely keep an eye on that. We get some more news announcements, heavy hitters on through the rest of the week on Wednesday and Thursday, as well as Friday. Now let's take a look at our pairs and see where potentially they're going over the next session. You can see that the US-Japanese yen pair did close lower, moving sideways overall, potentially going as high as 78.95, possibly down to 77.79. Look for some resistance around 78.85 and look for some support around 78.05. Now, the Euro-USD, talked about this pair, potentially could go as high as 130.81 on the very high side, possibly down to 128.80 on the low side. Look for some resistance around 130.50 and look for some support around 129.35. Now, the pound-US dollar pair surged to the downside, had an above-average range for the day. Look for it to potentially go up and go up to 161.93, possibly down to 159.11. Look for some resistance to the upside around 161.45 and look for some support to the downside around 16,000. Now, the US Swiss, this pair closed up. It did create a swing trade opportunity as well. Look for it to move higher. It could potentially go as high as 0.9399, possibly as low as 0.9254. Look for some resistance to the upside around 0.9356 and look for some support around 0.9295. Well, that pretty much wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.